Here's 3 softwares that I use that I wouldn't be able to run my Airbnb business without. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'll give you an added bonus for something you can use at your luxury villa properties. Number 1, and by far the most important, is our PMS, Property Management Software. We use Hostaway, and this takes care of all our calendar integrations and guest automated communication. Number 2 is PriceLabs, and this is dynamic pricing software to ensure that all our properties are accurately priced and we earn as much money as possible. Number 3 is Minute, and this is a noise level detection device aided by the software, and this enables us to ensure that we have no parties, or at least if there are parties at our properties, we are informed as soon as possible. Now for the bonus. At our luxury properties, we use Olarm, which is an app that allows us to remotely set the alarm system of the property.